What's up, everybody? Welcome to Chess Homes, where we help you to elevate through real estate. And today we're walking through our Noonan projects, where we're about 98% done with this particular property right now. We've got our guys out and they're still working on a few things, minor things, finishing up bathroom, finishing up landscape. So without further ado, let me walk you guys through the property so you can take a look and see how much we have completed so far.
You get off your butt, go to the bank, find an agent, and get in it. You gotta be in it to win it. So get busy. Go see a banker, go find a real estate agent, look for a deal, and start making some money.
We painted the house black and white, and we're putting down these evergreen plants in front of the house, which is gonna give it a really, really nice touch. We're actually doing a bed right here, a little garden bed inside of the house, outside. Right here, we built this little retaining wall to give a little elevation and separate the actual carport or car area from this little area here. There's Blue hanging out. Hey, Blue. Hey. Hey, Blue. Blue's hanging out with me today. Come on, Blue. Blue is over here hanging out with me today. All right, so we got shutters up on the house. We got the lights up under the porch right now. They're looking really, really good. So this is the porch underneath the house right here. We actually put in this little chessboard pattern under the parking pad, so it's right here with a motion light in it, so that when the new owners come down from the driveway up there, they pull right up under here. This light will come on automatically at nighttime. So that's a nice little feature to have there. Nice big long driveway here. We're finishing up with flooring in the utility rooms here. There, our electrician came in earlier today to fix those panels there. Big shout out to Andy, our electrician, for coming in and fixing all of our electrical up. So now everything is done properly, everything is ran properly. Let's take a look at some more of the house. Here is our utility room right here. Rodney's actually finishing up with the flooring. So this is the same flooring that we have inside of the house, and we decided to go with this flooring because, oh, they've already got the pan up under there. We decided to go with this flooring because we had some left over, so we just went ahead and ran it inside of here. So this is looking a lot better, much cleaner, much nicer. This is the laundry room along with the water heater there, and that's a brand new water heater. Our doors have been put in. We painted the doors black. Here it is. Let you see what it looks like. Both doors are black, painted black, while our main interior doors of the house are painted yellow. Black shutters. The house is black and white. All right, let's go inside of the house here with the yellow doors. This is our flooring. Our oven is already connected and working properly. This is the kitchen. That's our subway tiles along with our countertops. This is a Formica countertop. I know it looks really good. It looks like almost like a quartz countertop, but it's actually not. It's a Formica countertop, and it looks good with that subway tile backsplash. It's gonna look even better once those cabinets are up. The cabinet doors are on. We put all brand new windows in this house and brand new lighting as well. So all of these can lights are beautiful. They're up and working perfectly. Along with, this is something you always wanna do in your house, is put up smoke detectors. And this is also a carbon monoxide detector as well. So it's not just a smoke detector, it's carbon monoxide too. Here is carpet in this room right here. We've decided to go with carpet in what we're calling the bonus room right here. So this room came out really, really nicely with a nice little bookshelf over here. I don't want to walk on it, so we put these little rug remnants down because, as you can see, you get shoe prints and things like that. Excuse me, Blue. Get off my carpet. Thank you. Blue, sit. Thanks. Good job. All right, so carpet once again in this room here. Again, this is the kitchen area right here. Refrigerator is gonna go in this section right here. And the new owners can either put a small table, like a two-seater table or an island or whatever they wanna do on that side right there. Big wide open space over there. Or they can put a table right in front of this window right here. Nice little circular table right in here. And then have this whole room. Thank you. And then have this whole room for whatever they want to use it for, a little bonus room, sitting room, whatever they want to call it. Family room. Now this room does not have a light fixture in it, so they will have to use lamps in this particular room, but this is a family room, so this is going to be a nice little room where they can sit off and look.
Oh,
Yeah.
I got one more thing for you.
What's that?
When we put this bed in, we cut it straight
Yeah, Cody told me.
all the way down, lined it with plastic, so that won't pull up the water when it rains.
And the water will go straight out there.
Go right on up there.
Sweet, sweet. Okay, good deal, good deal. And that's the kind of stuff that I like for potential buyers. You know, I like to give them as much as I can give them and make these houses as nice as possible. So things like that Rodney just mentioned out here in our garden area, it will be a real nice touch for them, so they won't have to worry about this area right here. It rains, okay? Especially considering this is where the gutters are. So, and your corner right there, that's very important. This area could easily get flooded, but what they did was they trenched it out and drained the water out so it'll run straight out there. Nice touch, great job to the to the contractors for that. All right, here we go. Once again, we're in the family room. Come on, Blue. We're in the family room right now. Let's walk through the hallway. We have our thermostat here, hallway here. First room right here, this is the first bedroom. And we put down these little rug remnants so that when we walk in here, we don't walk on the carpet. That's brand new carpet. And this room is looking really, really good. There's a couple of blotchy spots with paint, so they will come in and touch up the paint here. I think Juan is working in here. Yep, he is. Showing you guys the bathroom. So subway tile in here, and they ran the tile all the way up to the top of the ceiling there. So that's done. We've got new fixture here. Medicine cabinet there, and they're going to be putting in the flooring as well as the vanity in there too. Flooring has been run inside of this bathroom, looking really nice. We just got to put up the baseboards there, and this bathroom will be pretty much set. This bathroom's almost done. Next is cleaning. Anytime you do these houses, you've got to clean them out, but we did a nice white inside of this bathroom, so it came out nicely. And there's our vanity there. I don't think the water's on right now. Nope, water's not on. Here's our brand new tub. This is the tile we picked out. It's grouted with like a gold grout. It actually looks really good. I don't know if you guys can tell. And there's our hardware for our tub and things like that right there, and our shower there. Bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 2. Come on, Blue. This is the one that we added a closet into. So now we've got our closet door. Blue, can you get off the carpet and come over here, please? Thank you. Thanks, Blue. Appreciate that. Sit. Good. Good job, Blue. Good job. You hungry? You hungry? Okay, we'll get you some food. Bedroom number 2 right here with an additional closet that we made. This closet wasn't with the house originally. And then this closet was, but this closet, as you guys know, was originally part of the bathroom, which is over here. And we stole some space in the bathroom here. Oh, Juan's not in here. All right, so they're getting ready to run the flooring in here now. That's gonna look really good. Subway tile. And again, this shower is really, really nice. Nice huge shower that the owner will be able to put a seating area in the back of. Because it's so big, they can actually sit in the back of this shower. But we didn't put a seating area there, so they would have to get like an external thing or something like that. This was part of the original house, this closet was. We made it a little bit smaller so that we can make that shower bigger. Where you at, Blue? All right, this room is room number 3, and this is the room that is most complete right here. Blue, can you get off the carpet over here? Over here, right there. Sit. Thank you. Appreciate it, Blue. All right, this room is most complete right here. So this room, we got a few little vent covers we got to put over there. Got to put doors in here. Lighting works though. Everything is working with the lighting. Let's make sure. There it is. All lights work. Looks beautiful in here when the lights are on. The next thing that we have to do is get the AC installed in this house, because there was this house was originally on propane, so we decided to go all electric with the house and take it off of propane. So now we have to get a whole AC unit installed in the house, and when that gets in and the heat is on, it's going to feel really, really good in here. You guys have seen the entire house. It's coming along super, super nicely. Very proud of everybody that's worked on this project, and we're going to try to keep the same team in place for all of our projects going forward, including the Fayetteville house that we're working on right now. as well as another project that we just got under contract. All right, guys, now that we've walked through the inside of the house, I want to walk you around the outside of the house so that you can see what modifications, what improvements, things like that we've done outside of the house. As you can see behind me, we painted the whole house white, which I think was a very, very nice touch, not only because it's Chess Homes, but because of the original brick was red. Go back and look at some of the early videos, like when we first got this house, all of that brick was red. Now we painted it white, and it looks really good against the brown pine straw there, as well as the green evergreens that are gonna be there. So that's the outside of the house right there, guys. And let me walk you around the side of the house. Once again, as you know, we did black gutters, so that black and white looks really good. We're gonna probably run pine straw down the side of the house too, because they painted and the paint just doesn't look good on the ground there. So you wanna make sure you put something. I wish I could put some of this, what we call crabgrass, all the way down there, but I think it'll get a little costly to buy that much crabgrass, so we probably won't do that. But we'll just put pine straw down there as well, and that'll look good as well. We might put 1 or 2 evergreens on the side of the house here too. Once again, we whitewashed the brick. It was red brick, but we actually whitewashed it, painted it white, basically, is what I'm saying. Put up black gutters, and it looks really, really good. Yep, so all this is done. All new windows. You guys know we put in all new windows in this house. If you're watching the videos. Come on, Blue. And gutters, downspouts there, all the way up there, all new windows. New. And we will be putting in a new AC unit and heating unit in here, so this will go. That will get gone. And the homeowners will inherit this nice little thing for water hose. And this right here, all of this wiring will go, and we'll probably run pine straw back here too. Come on, Blue. And we painted, again, the whole house has been painted white. Siding, we repaired all of the siding on the side of the house. So that's all new siding there, all that's done. Here's our pine straw, which we'll get our landscaper to come in and he'll clean all of this up. There's our chessboard pattern up under there, along with our motion light there. And let me take you into the utility rooms and we'll be done. So this is kind of a utility room that the new buyers will be able to use. We're putting flooring in here, the same flooring from inside of the house. They'll be able to use this as a workroom, okay? It's got a little workbench already built in there. We'll leave that in there and that'll be done. Here is, next to that, is their laundry room. This is where the laundry area is. And I think we gotta put a new laundry box in there. We always wanna make sure that we do things right for the owners, for the homeowners. And so that's a big deal. I know it doesn't look like a big deal, but that's a big deal, that your vents and things like that vent properly outside of the house and shouldn't be venting into the crawl space of the house. So here's our water heater, and put a pan on it just so when water spills and things like that, it won't go on the flooring and mess up the flooring, okay? So that was a big deal to me. That was important to me. We got that done. And this is waterproof flooring, okay? So we've got waterproof flooring here, so it shouldn't mess up at all. And we gotta put crown molding in here? Oh, quarter round around the baseboards. Okay, so we'll do quarter round around the baseboards here. Got you. Okay. All right, and then this will be done. There's something going on right here too, where y'all reset the door or something. It's like a big hole right there. Yeah. All right, we'll adjust that. Once we go taping, we'll probably tape at the beginning of the week. We'll start taping. Okay. All right, so there's our yellow door right there. We decided to go with a yellow door on the house. And so that's done. And here we go. Here's the inside of the house once again. All right, so thank you guys for sticking with me at Chess Homes, where we help you to elevate through real estate. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them down below. Hit that like button so more people can see these videos. And last but not least, subscribe to the channel so that when I make money, you make money. I'll see you guys on the next, when we're 100% done. All right, I'll see you then. Peace.